Ensuring these garments fit like a glove is no laughing matter. Precision here is the name of the game. Since we're talking medical compression garments, discard any thought around regular fashion sizes. Trust us, fashion sizes vary considerably from country to country and between brands. So grab a reliable buddy and let them take care of the measurement. Because let's face it, measuring oneself when you're pregnant can be very tricky, and also the results generally notoriously unreliable. Compression garments mean business, and business means getting this fit just right. Get measured in your undies if possible. Stand tall, heels together. Note that the person being measured is side on relative to the measurer. This allows the measurer to see where the tape is sitting. Place the tape over the widest part of the hips, lower part of the pubic bone, and the fullest part of your bottom. This should make a perfect circle. Remember, we want the tape to be cozy without a tight squeeze. Once you have your measurement, refer to the size chart to determine your size. If you're having any trouble at all with sizing, please send us a DM on Instagram or Facebook or email us.